Gentle income systems. A quieter way to earn in a noisy world. Gentle income systems. For a long time, earning a living has followed a familiar pattern. Study hard. Secure a stable job. Work diligently for decades. Hope that stability eventually leads to freedom. For generations, this formula made sense. It provided structure and security in a world where opportunities were limited and information traveled slowly. But the landscape has quietly changed. Technology has expanded what is possible. Information moves instantly across continents. Entire businesses can now exist online, run by individuals who may never meet their customers in person. Yet many people still feel bound to the traditional model of earning, even when it no longer feels aligned with the life they want to live. The result is a quiet tension. A growing number of thoughtful professionals sense that there must be another way, something more sustainable, more flexible, and more in harmony with the life they want to design. Not louder, just gentler. The cost of constant effort. Much of modern work culture revolves around effort. Long hours are praised as commitment. Busyness is worn as a badge of honor. Exhaustion is sometimes mistaken for ambition. But constant effort comes with a hidden cost. When income is directly tied to time and energy, freedom becomes difficult to sustain. Every pause interrupts the flow of earnings. Every change in circumstance threatens stability. Many people begin to feel that they are maintaining a system rather than designing a life. This is where the idea of gentle income systems begins to resonate. What is a gentle income system? A gentle income system is not about avoiding work. It is about designing work differently. Instead of trading time continuously for income, gentle systems focus on creating assets that can continue to function once they are built. These assets may take many forms: digital products, automated marketing systems, educational resources, online communities, affiliate partnerships. Each of these can operate quietly in the background once established. They do not require constant visibility or relentless promotion. They simply continue serving people who are looking for the solutions they provide. Over time, these systems begin to shift the relationship between time and income. Work becomes more focused, income becomes more flexible, life becomes easier to shape around what truly matters. The power of two focused hours. There is a common belief that meaningful income requires relentless effort. But often, what creates results is not the number of hours invested, but the clarity of those hours. 2 focused hours spent building a thoughtful system can achieve far more than 10 scattered hours spent reacting to demands. When energy is directed toward building assets rather than completing endless tasks, the results begin to compound. Nikongs, Dinikiyants. A piece of content continues to reach readers months later. A system continues to guide interested people toward helpful resources. An idea shared once can serve hundreds quietly over time. This is the quiet leverage of digital infrastructure. Designing systems that support life. Gentle income systems are not simply financial strategies, they are lifestyle decisions. They allow individuals to step back from the constant pressure to perform and instead design structures that support a more intentional way of living. This might mean having the freedom to travel more slowly, to dedicate more time to health and well-being, to pursue creative interests, or simply to enjoy the rhythm of everyday life without the constant urgency of deadlines. Income becomes a supportive structure rather than a dominating force. The quiet realization. For many people, the turning point is not dramatic. It often begins with a quiet realization. There may be another way to build a life. Not a reckless leap, not an overnight transformation, just a gradual shift in perspective. Once this possibility is seen, it becomes difficult to ignore. People begin to explore. They experiment with small systems, though they learn how digital tools can extend their reach beyond geography and time. Step by step, something begins to change. A gentler path forward. Gentle income systems are not a shortcut to instant wealth. They are a pathway toward stability that does not demand constant urgency. They allow thoughtful individuals to participate in the digital economy without sacrificing their values or well-being. Over time, these systems can form part of a broader lifestyle philosophy, one that integrates intentional living, personal vitality, and quiet authority. Together, these elements create the foundation for something many people are quietly seeking. Hajj, a life that is not dictated by necessity alone, but designed with care and intention. A life shaped not by noise, but by clarity. A life moving steadily toward freedom by design.